automotives, and dear sports car enthusiasts. I'm very pleased to see you here at this event. First of all, it was essential for Gumpert Airways to build an electric car that would not stop just because the battery is empty. In fact, our car produces its own electricity while driving. So together with my sister Magdalena, we will now unveil this car. And by doing so, we are giving you as well a glimpse into the future.